हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ हुज़ैफ़र रहमान। और हमने जो कैनवास मॉडल रेडी किया था एक चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट का, तो उसके जो की पार्टनर्स हैं, की एक्टिविटीज़ होगी, वो मैं आपसे थोड़ी सी मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब करूँगा। सो फर्स्ट जो की पार्टनर्स का हमारा फैक्टर है रेस्टोरेंट में, तो ज़ाहिर है कि हम लोग जो हमारे पास कस्टमर आएंगे, हम उन्हें बहुत सारे उनके पास बैंक में अगर वो है तो उनके पास क्रेडिट कार्ड डेबिट कार्ड होंगे, तो हम उन्हें उस पर डिस्काउंट देंगे। हम फूड पांडा की सर्विसेज जो हैं वो अच्छी करेंगे। हम फ्रेश फूड्स रखेंगे, ऑर्गेनिक वेजीज़ रखेंगे, फ्रेश मीट रखेंगे, ताकि हमारे पास कस्टमर बार बार दोबारा आएँ। और हम फिर बात करते हैं कि की एक्टिविटीज़ की, तो की एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक हमारी जो फूड की प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छी हो, हमारा मेन्यू बहुत अच्छा हो, हमारी जो सर्विस है वो बहुत अच्छी हो, और हमारी क्वालिटी फ़ूड की बहुत अच्छी हो, क्लीन हो, ताकि कस्टमर्स बार बार हमारे पास आएँ। हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं, प्रमोशन भी हमारी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए, ताकि हम लोग अपने रेस्टोरेंट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रमोट करें, ताकि लोग हमारे पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे रेस्टोरेंट से अट्रैक्ट हों और हमारे पास आएँ।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is M.Yasir Ikram. Uh, Basically, today I am presenting our topic Entre two. Basically, I am choosing a restaurant business that its name is Huan Ying. It's basically Chinese name. And what we are offering and what is the basically vision and mission of our restaurant. That basically we use our slogan, we serve our customer like we are serving at our home. Huan Ying aim is to give the best eating experience to its customer. We exist to attract and keep the audience. Then it will all take shape if we practice this philosophy. Our service will be transist and customer demands. And what is our vision? And our vision is to be premier of Chinese cuisine to our customer, provide excellent meals and outstanding service. And what is the value proposition? Basically, our canvas model value proposition is best customer service to make long-term relationship with the customer and with them. Provide happy deals, provide happy hours, provide happy kids Friday and social Saturday, provide digital ordering service and fast order and fast provide fast delivery, provide discount with family and festivals day. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hamza. Today I'm presenting in Canvas customer relationships. We have established following relationships: personal assistance, dedicated personal assistance, and long-term. By personal assistance, our customer will remain satisfied with the restaurant and will ultimately become loyal to us. Long-term relationship will help us in growth of our business. Cost matters either to hire staff and to raise the standard of restaurant. In order to establish relationships like long-term and personal assistance, it is impossible without cost. Thank you so much.
The next topic is about to customer segments. In this, we are creating values for all age group people. Primarily, focus is families and students, as we know that there are many education institutes are nearby our restaurant. So students are our first priority, and there are lots of middle class families are living there who love ordering on daily basis, so we are offering special offers for them. These restaurants will covers the mass market of the area. We design menus according to people wants.
की रिसोर्सेज ये होते हैं कि बेसिकली हमें एक्सपीरियंस और इंटेलेक्चुअल एंड स्किल्ड पीपल हों हमारे पास, जो डील कर सके अच्छे से कस्टमर को। मैन पावर, स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल, ऑल्सो कॉपीराइट एंड पेटेंट फॉर द नेम ऑफ आवर रेस्टोरेंट, कि हमारी अपनी एक पूरी चेन हो, हमारी एक अपनी नई टैग लाइन हो, और हम लोग कॉपीराइट्स इशू हम पे ना आए। और इस तरीके से हम एक अच्छी अपनी जो क्या कहते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स की हमारी जो एक हम आगे जो लोगों को पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं, कस्टमर को हम अच्छा सा कर सकते हैं, तो उससे हमारी बहुत सारी मार्केटिंग भी हो सकती है और हम अपना बिज़नेस अच्छे से रन कर सकें। थैंक यू।
So this is Anik. So what are channels? Channels are customers' touch points that play an important role in a customer's experience. Channels serve several functions like raising awareness among customers about a company's product and services. There are many ways to reach our prospective through E-marketing, billboards, and physical interaction with customers. Interaction with customers more viable as word of mouth are so effective. I think e-marketing and through customers both are cost efficient, so by investing a small amount we can reach numerous customers.
Hello, my name is Shakil and I will be presenting cost structure and revenue streams. First, we will discuss about the cost structure. The cost structure that we will be using is the cost plus pricing strategy, in which we will take into account all of the costs that go into a plate of food. This will include the fixed costs like wages, furniture and fixtures, rent, and other costs such as utility bills. All of these will be distributed among the various offerings that our restaurant will make to its customers. Once we have reliably determined the cost of a plate of food, we will then add a profit margin based on what we consider a reasonable profit. Since the prices of raw materials used in food will constantly fluctuate from time to time, we will be expected to keep our prices constant in order to retain the customer's trust in us. We will tackle this by factoring in contingent fluctuations of price of raw materials by making the prices set in the menu fairly high in order to maintain constant prices. Now, we will be talking about revenue streams. Our income will be generated in the traditional manner of generating money. Prices sales will be taken into account for the majority of our revenue. This means that we will sell the customer the ownership of our food that we serve in the restaurant. A common method of generating additional revenue is to get more customers into the restaurant. For example, by starting a customer loyalty program, the loyalty program will provide a free meal to a customer who has eaten at a particular restaurant a number of times and has a certain number of points on their loyalty card. In addition, the company will provide customers with the option of hosting private parties in the restaurant. Advertising the restaurant as a great party venue for various occasions could earn the restaurant a strong reputation around customers and thus would raise some additional revenue. Finally, we will provide our guests a variety of events outside of the restaurant. Catering for events such as weddings, business meetings, opening ceremonies, for example, would not only produce additional revenue but would also raise awareness of the restaurant and services it offers. In the future, we will also consider making our very own cookbook, in which we will include lots of delicious recipes of different variety of food. Thank you.